Will investors be able to reap benefit from global market? Why investors should choose to invest in global market? We have our industry expert Manish with us. Manish, could you please help us gain more insights on these sectors of investments?
It's very important that you diversify your portfolio. You don't put all your eggs in one basket. So having a diversification in global overseas market is extremely positive. That's something which we support also. Uh, the reason for that is that there are a lot of technology which is not based out of India. Just giving an example, we all, the morning we get up, we either would be looking at WhatsApp first thing, then maybe we would be looking at Facebook updates, then maybe we would be going to Instagram for checking out pictures. Uh, then we open up our laptop and you will see Microsoft Windows coming in. So I'm just giving you a few examples. And if you look at all the companies which have said, and I can go on and on, and then you want to take some time out or you want to have lunch looking at TV, you switch on the Netflix of the world. So I'm saying all these companies, if you look at which I've just mentioned, Facebook, Apple, Google, Netflix, all this is something which is not present in India. There's something which is listed in global market. If you want to take advantage of such companies, which you on a daily basis you use it, your investment has to go global because these are not listed in India, and you know that these are high growth companies. So if you want to invest in those companies, I think some part of your investment can be dedicated to global market. It gives you exposure to such companies, such high growth companies which are not there in India. So we are extremely positive on investing in such investments, global investment, because at least it gives you a much broader spectrum to create wealth. And there are periods when Indian market does not do well. Some of the other markets like US market does well or a China market does well. So having a overseas investments definitely makes a lot of sense.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.